Cold, cold word. Yeah. Let me take y'all back, man.
Dominic here, back with another video, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell for every time I do upload. So today's video will be an inspired look by the awesome Jamaican flag, and if you are from the great old Jamaica, hey, I hope you like this look. And if you're ready for my inspired tutorial, keep on watching and let's get straight to it. I did want to share that I have gotten 2 new palettes from the very infamous Juvia's place, or is it Palace? Juvia's? I'm just going to say Juvia's at the moment because I don't know if it's place or Palace, but I was so excited to finally order my very first palettes from them because, you know, all the hear about their pigmentation and their colors on that melanin skin, and it's just so, I'm just super happy. But the 2 palettes that I got was the Zulu by them, the Zulu palette. Let's focus on that one. Ooh, look at that. the Zulu one. I'm gonna open it up for you to see the colors and the paper. So look at them freaking colors. And also, the second one I got was Afrique by Juvia as well. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Please forgive me if I'm not. But it comes with these very vibrant colors. And this is the palette, the second one that I showed you. This is the palette that I will be using to achieve the look for today, and also a regular black from any one of my other palettes. But I just wanted to show you guys that. And these 2 palettes retailed at $20. At first I was very shocked at how small they were. But you know, $20, I mean, I do got a variety of colors in this one, and this one has big pans in the Zulu one. So, but I was just very shocked how small they were. I was expecting maybe like a little bigger palette, but maybe that was like the $25, $30, $40 ones. But I got the $20 ones. So hey, I'm doing a little bit more talking in this video. Show you what colors I use and everything else. Of course, I'm about to do my brows, and I'm going to get right to the eyeshadow look. Brows is a regular drugstore eyebrow pencil, and also to conceal them, I always use an LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. I'm just priming my lid with LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee. I always use this as a base for my eyeshadow until due time, until I find a good eyeshadow primer. But this concealer works wonders, so I'm really not complaining. I really don't look forward to changing anytime soon. So yeah, we're ready to start with the shadows. Pick a brush. The first color that we'll be starting with is, of course, green, and that's going to be our over the lid shade, transition shade. Let me find my handy dandy brush. I'm going to use this one, and I have a brush by Shop Miss A, and it's going to be their E137 brush, and it looks like so. Cleaning it off a little bit, because I did use it to test out a highlighter. Alright, so the green is going to be, of course, by the Afrique. I hope I'm not saying it wrong. I'm so sorry. But the orange, pretty palette, and the green I'm going to use is Niger. I don't know why I paused for that. But it's going to be this green right here, Niger. Oh, God. And it's so smooth. It's so smooth, too. Anyways, I'm going to take that and put that all over my lid. Wow. All right, pigment. Wait a minute. I don't think I picked up enough. I sure didn't. Ooh, okay. Okay, honey. Okay. Listen, Linda. Listen, Linda. This has pigment. This has a lot of pigment. Okay. Anyways, I'm going to start with that green and just make that the transition shade. I'm going to repeat the same process on the other eye. I'm going to take my concealer brush and I'm going to use my concealer and cut a crease. A very different crease at that. Like so. Ooh, I did that pretty easy. And that shot like a swoop. The cut creases are prospering. Alright, and also do the same on the other eye. Watch the other eye. It's not going to be as perfect as this one. But it's okay. And it's alright. 10 minutes later, trying to do the right eye the same as the left eye, we got our blank cut crease canvas space for the next color. Brush we're going to take is the E139 brush to apply the color Aya. Is it Aya or Aya? I'm going to say two pronunciations for these colors because honestly I don't know. But it's called Aya or Aya, and it's a very pretty yellow. This yellow right here. And I will be over it, I'll crease. Aya. That was 2 taps. I'm gonna apply it over the lid. Hello, yellow. How you? Aya on the lid. A little bit of fallout. Might be my fault for not shaking the brush as applying the color. Just wipe that off. And again, do the same for the other eye. You're gonna blend in a little bit of black on that outer corner of your eye. The black I'm going to be using from is my Morphe 3502 Second Nature palette. Just a regular black. It's the color, the name for that black is Wiz. I'm going to take the black and just go in the outer corner. Looks like the black has a little shimmer. Maybe that's from another eyeshadow. But and then some black right there. Nothing too much, nothing too heavy. Those are lashes with this look. People want to kill me. Y'all, lashes and me aren't the best of friends. But some people, when I'm going to hear some people mouth, just some lashes. Lashes, lashes, Linda, lashes. I just want to say, it took me about half an hour to put these damn lashes on. It's okay, because it looks cute with this look. However, I still just want to point out that it took me almost half an hour, probably longer than that to put these goddamn lashes on. But these lashes are worth $1 by Shop Miss A, and I believe these are Alexis, if I'm not mistaken. Very dramatic lash, very dramatic. Anyways, you guys, let me finally finish the look. With these lashes, because I feel like I can sting like a fly like a bee. Just one squirt, one side. So the face is, however, beats, but we are not done with this look. Small, really small, detailed, angled, wow, angled brush that we're gonna get under the waterline. There we go. Now I got my little very detailed brush. I'm gonna take this yellow and finish off this look right there. Again with that small brush, right? Then I'm going to take that green and do the same. The eyeshadow get in your eye won't kill you, Lord. It will not kill you. And also, we're going to take a black, that black that we use for our Morphe palette, and get the end. Get the end just a little bit. Not that much space left for the black, but however. Here we go. We got our black, we got our green, and we have our yellow. Bring out that pretty color, make sure you can see it. So that color is so pretty. And then we want to apply some mascara at the bottom. Guys, I got a new setting powder, a setting spray, and it's by Urban Decay. They're all nighter. It is bomb and the best almost $40 I've spent. Lord, I moved on. Well, I still use NYX setting spray. I don't think I'll use that forever, but the Urban Decay all nighter is an awesome setting spray. I think I'm going to apply it with my bigger brush. Ooh, and then put subtle. I'm going to do a little subtle highlight. That's all. Yep. A little on the nose. Put it on the cupids. I go overboard with the cupids. For some reason, the cupid bow with a highlight on it is just so pretty. Did I do the bridge? Okay. I'm going to take my very small highlighter brush, get my brow bone. Did I get it? Yes, I did. The lashes are rebuking me from trying to reach up there. Ooh. Alright, and then we're going to set this face. Okay, secured bottle. I just opened it. Oh, 3 points. I have that setting spray. I'm going to go ahead and fan that, let that set into the skin. I don't know if you can hear me when I was saying that, but I'm going to fan myself. But like what was I saying? I have a black and green lipstick, but it was for Pride Month. You know, to do looks and stuff with it. But I think this would be too much if I do a green right now. Or I might do a black. If not, I might do a nude. Let me think about it. The J Matte lipstick. I'm guessing that's the brand. It is super matte, y'all. But it's cute with this. Yep. So, I got the highlight on. Everything else that's needed and done. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. Once again, the palette that I use for this look is the Afrique by Juvia's. Thumbnail. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I always comment back, and I would love the love for the likes and the comments. Don't forget to please subscribe. You can tell a friend, share it, and whatever else you can do. Thank you so much, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. Thank you. See you all in my next video.